Hello and a warm welcome to Festival TV, I'm Phil. So working with the ISC we can produce a really good high quality cut on insulation material. But within the structure of a building you quite often need to make parallel cuts around the structure. And this can be a time consuming business. However, with the insulation saw, the Festival guide rail system and this accessory, it means that we can make these parallel cuts very simply and easily. The big advantage is I save a lot of time, but we can also cut angles with this accessory as well. So currently this is in the folded up transport position. We can undo these two screws and then we can slide it up, and then the first cut that we can make will be at 90 degrees. And then the same two screws that we used to take it from the transport position, we can then attach it to the top of the guide rail. So I need to work accurately. So along here there's a scale, so I can set this stopper exactly at the position I need the insulation cut at. And we can slide this along to any position, and then we can tighten this up in there. So now the next stage is we can put this down to the floor, and then we can slide it along to the insulation material, and then we can use the ISC with one of the accessories to roll along the guide rail, and we can produce a really accurate parallel cut. So the big advantage is I can cut insulation material very accurately so it can do its job, and I can also work in a professional way. But at the top of the structure here there's an angle, and now the next stage is to set the same accessory up so we can cut angles as well. So I can undo the screw here. There's a small stopper here, we need to pull this out, and now I can move the guide rail around to the angle that I need the material cut at. So I can go to 45 degrees or I can go to 47 degrees. So I can set this to 45 degrees. Tighten this back up into position. Now I can take the insulation material, put it back onto the rail, and then we can make a really accurate angled cut. So working with the ISC insulation saw, the guide rail system and this accessory means I can make really accurate cuts on the insulation material that are parallel, but I can also cut angles such as these. So with the insulation saw I can carry out many different types of applications to a really high professional standard, and of course all 18 volt. So in the further videos we show you how you can also work with the ISC saw to get even bigger benefits from this machine.